rentre là, on paquet de cap pour nous pas pour qui ça. Bah ça au police bagaille noiti. They just most definitely tout le monde a quitté carnaval là. We don't know why.
We have to wonder. You see now.
I have no reason to run. I don't want kids don't run for nobody.
No fearless.
No fears for nobody. I don't run for nobody, man. I don't know what's going on in the city now. Everybody, you know, everybody's one. I don't know what's going on in the city. Everybody get one. But kids don't run for nobody. I have no fears for no fucking body. But if it blah blah blah. Là ça au moins tout le monde a couru pas contre pour qui ça. Là ça yo. We connais moi kids. I don't run for nobody.
We don't want. You're still here.
We don't have. I have no fucking fear for nobody. I don't want. Kids don't run.
You see to code.com.
Yeah,
that war was everywhere.
Yeah,
in the fight, behind the fight, inside the fight.
Yeah. Toronto t'es là. Ils tiennent pas que carnaval nous là. I don't see I don't give a fuck. But tout le monde a couru par contre pour qui ça. Bah ça yo. Nous juste quitté carnaval après présentement là, on a tourné Brooklyn. Après ça, vous n'avez Iguana, nous allons Iguana, puis après ça, on a Montréal. Most definitely. Kids don't want for no fucking body. As you can see, NYPD is on the up body on les airs. Parce que nous avons fait caca. Right, so most definitely we here and we know that. You know, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. Don't ask me, I don't know what's going on in the air. Fuck.